Good morning, students. Today's topic from the literature book for class 6, Unit 1, Far from the Madding Crowd, Section 1, Lilliput. Students, what is an adventure? Adventure means an exciting or daring experience, an experience that could take you to far away lands and lead you to meet interesting people. In this excerpt, Gulliver undertakes an exciting voyage that lands him in a strange land inhabited by tiny people who give him a fair fight nevertheless. So students, in this chapter we will learn about the adventure. Gulliver, that he is the central character and the whole chapter is based on him. So in our life also we are moving from one place to another and we are facing some tough situations, tough difficulties, and that changes in our life, that brings change into our life, and that changes in our life implements as adventure. While we are moving with our friends, while we are going out with our families and friends. So here is the summary. Gulliver was travelling through the East Indies in Asia when he was shipwrecked. He swam to unfamiliar shore for survival. When Gulliver found himself in the custody of a large group of tiny people, he became worried and upset. So here Gulliver is the central character and he is travelling to one destination to the other, and suddenly in mid-between, because of the climatic conditions, all the teammates and the Gulliver, the ship got damaged and they are separated from each other, and meanwhile Gulliver was found by the tiny people. He tried to stand up but could not move. He was horrified to feel some small animal creeping along his left leg and his chest. He saw a tiny human creature not much bigger than his own middle finger. He was followed by about 40 more of the same kind. So among these tiny people he found himself a very big one, a large human body, and that people were very small in size and they were moving around his body. So he was feeling very uncomfortable amongst them. As you can see in this picture, that Gulliver found himself between the large group of tiny people. He felt uncomfortable when he wants to move his body, and on that island he was the only one who was a giant human being. So he was very surprised. He was presented to the Emperor of Lilliput that he ordered his armed army to release him and allowed him to live in Lilliput. So on that particular island, the emperor was present and he allowed his armed force to release him and let him live there. Earlier the people of Lilliput, that these tiny people, they were afraid from Gulliver that he is an enemy and destroyed their kingdom, but later on they found him quite friendly. So because of his giant body, they were thinking, the people of Lilliput, the citizens of Lilliput, that tiny people, they were thinking that he is an enemy and he will destroy our kingdom. Gulliver showed a good behavior while living with the tiny people and helped them solve many of their problems. So time passes and he was very friendly with them, and whatever problem, whatever situation was coming in their island, so that Gulliver was solving that issues. So that particular time period changes Gulliver's life. A journey to a new place makes a person aware of the surroundings. The journey to Lilliput made Gulliver aware of the morality of the Lilliputians. People of Lilliput took good care of Gulliver and provided him with every comfort. His journey to Lilliput was full of experience and adventures. So, moving one place to another or going in a long journey, we learn something new and we implement in our life. Whether it is good or bad, we learn something from our life. While making mistakes only, we come to learn such a thing in particular right way. So here Gulliver is also changes his behavior as compared to his early where he was living with his family, and now he is experiencing something new with these people on the island. In this, the emperor ordered his armed force to release him and let him live freely on the island. And while living with the tiny people, he helped them to solve many of their problems. So here is some highlights. Dr. Lemuel Gulliver kissed his beloved wife and children and boarded the ship. So Gulliver's full name is Dr. Lemuel Gulliver. The ship on that he was traveling, the ship named was Antelope. Gulliver had always loved adventures. The Antelope struck a rock and sank. He never found his shipmates. He managed to swim to an island. Word meaning: boarded, got into a ship, aircraft or any kind of vehicle. Battered, damaged due to high winds and strong waves. Splintered, broke into small sharp fragments. Overhead, above the level of the head. Straining, forcing to make an unusually great effort. Tumbled off, fell suddenly. Inhabitants, people or animals that live in a particular place. The citizens of that particular area. Miniature, much smaller than normal. Cord, thin, flexible strings or ropes made from several twisted strands. Peered, looked with difficulty or concentration at someone or something. So here we have question answers. Just go through it, learn by heart and do it in your rough copy or any other notebook. The first phrase: I tried to stand up but not found to my astonishment that I could not move. Why was the speaker unable to move? The speaker was unable to move because he was tied up with ropes in several twisted strands. Where was the speaker stranded? The speaker was stranded to an island of Lilliputans. Second phrase: at this they all ran back in fright and some even tumbled off. Who are they in the above lines? They refers to the tiny humans of Lilliput Island. Why did they run back in fright and tumble off? They ran back in fright and tumbled off because Gulliver roared aloud. Where was the speaker when he saw the creatures? The speaker was at the Lilliput Island. Next phrase: he looked quite friendly and since I was very hungry, I pointed to my mouth to indicate this. Who does he refer to in the above lines? The little man refers in the above lines. What was the speaker fed with after he said he was hungry? The speaker fed with a long speech made by the little man. What happened to the speaker after he ate the food? The speaker fell fast asleep. Thank you.